Today we are going to discuss about the topic of underwriters from the financial services. So, who are the underwriters? Underwriters is nothing but it is an institution or maybe a company that administers the public issuance of the securities on behalf of the any corporate company or any issuing body. The underwriters will receive underwriting commission from for the providing of underwriting services towards their clients. So the basic the nature of the underwriters is assuming an estimation of the risk of the entity. By that they are providing the underwriting services. They can receive some premium, fees or some interest from their clients. What are the types of the underwriters? The first one is mortgage underwriters. It is a traditional and a common type of underwriters by providing the mortgage loans. Any mortgage loan, if they would like to approve, first of all they can consider the client's income and its credit worthability, means credit history, debt ratio on all his savings. By that he can give approval or denying of granting of loan and also providing underwriting services. And next one is IPO, initial public offering underwriters. Basically IPO is the process of any previously private limited company in a public stock exchange for the first time, they can issue the initial public offerings. In India, investment banks like IDBI, IFCA, ICICI, these are the investment banks providing the initial public offering underwriters towards the corporate companies. By providing, for the purpose of providing these services, they can call upon the remaining financial institutions of the country like mutual funds and insurance companies and other financial institutions to provide their financial assistance towards their client. For that purpose, they can offer some interest. By receiving of that interest, those financial institutions, along with this IPO underwriter, they can provide the financial assistance towards the client. So, they can decide the price of the shares. After that, it can be listed in the stock exchanges. So the next one is insurance underwriters. As you know very well about the insurance underwriter services is also nothing but like that mortgage underwriters. Here they can give an approval by proposing what are the policies are readily available in the insurance companies, how much of coverage is expected by the corporate companies for those business organizations. By that they can provide the insurance underwriting services by approving or from denying of the obligations of the corporate companies. So these are the basic types of the underwriters, and let us discuss about the functions. First one is risk selection. So the corporate companies project, how much it is risk oriented, how much risk is associated with their project is selected and rejected by the underwriters. Means they are giving the proper suggestions towards their clients. And next one is classification and rating of the risks associated with the project. These are also done by the insurance underwriters, means how much risk is associated, the percentage of the risk and probability of occurrence of loss associated with their proposed project. They can classify by that what are the insurance policies and at what rates, at what income, at what data coverages are available. They can explain towards by giving suggestions towards the clients of the their clients. And second one is, third one is policy forms. So available policies will explain towards the clients. By that they can select the suitable policies of the business organizations. And next one, retention and reinsurance. Retention and reinsurance is nothing but the insurance underwriter, the best risk associated policies he can retain, and remaining coverages of the risk they can go for the reinsurance. So means major risks are reinsurance and the covered and safe concepts are retained with the insurance underwriters. So these are the this is about the overview of the underwriters. Thank you.